At the very beginning of the COVID pandemic, we did have a shortage of personal protective equipment. Quite a few of the college district's nursing and dental programs stepped forward and provided masks and gloves. We have an adequate supply currently that came from the colleges, came from purchases, and came from a generous donation we had from an outside party. Realizing that first responders have to have contact with people that could be exposed, it's about training to begin with on things to do to minimize exposure, and then providing the right equipment. Essentially talk about protection, distancing, and washing. We don't have much telecommuting taking place. What we have reserved that for is if we have somebody that's had a possible exposure or an unusual circumstance, following the guidelines for the 14-day absence to figure out things for people to do remotely. WebEx and other group meeting applications is really new to me and law enforcement. We've had a great deal of meetings in the Maricopa system using WebEx, and police chief, law enforcement, and first responder meetings across the region have taken to being handled remotely in that manner as well. Additional safeguards that we monitored with other agency practices include separating people. In the Maricopa system, our officers are assigned to campuses. So if we did have an infection on a campus, we would be able to send officers from a different campus. If we were to have an exposure in the communications center, we would move people to alternative locations while decontamination's done. Enforcing public health proclamations is really new to law enforcement in general. State statute prescribes that police do need to enforce public proclamations. We've not had anything like that we've had to deal with. Citizens and employees and students have been very respectful of the property. Enforcing the law is the same. We, of course, take safety into account for protection when it's needed, but it's still the same contexts and types of activity that we deal with. Trespassing incidents on the closed campuses have been far less than we expected. Having police officers and aides circulating on campus has allowed us to make contact with people that are on campus and inform them of the restrictions. And there have been very few incidents, and most people have been very cooperative. The district itself really pulled together, and it's been a great team effort as all the colleges move to what the new model is. And the district and the college administrations, the faculty and the staff have been awesome in terms of watching what they produce.